So welcome everyone. This video is how to apply for your examination for I.C.A.S courses. So you can simply visit icasghaziabad.weebly.com if you are a Ghaziabad chapter student, or you can also visit the national website of I.C.A.S, and from there you can go to the student panels and logins. In case of I.C.A.S Ghaziabad website, we have the option and the menu of login. Here you will find a student login option for the council login portal. You will be directed to the central website for your student panel. Here you can fill up your username, that is generally your mobile number, and then type in your password. Once you log in, you will see the student panel where you have different options. Here you have the option for apply for examination. When you click on the examination option, you are directed to the form where you can choose whether you want to give the exams in online mode or offline mode. You can choose as per your choice. In online mode, you have 1 hour exams in MCQ format. In offline mode, you have 3 hour exam at one of these centers. Exam will be in written format with objective and descriptive all type of questions. Then you can select your course, whichever course you want to give the exam to. Select the center that you want to the exam from. Your admission year will be automatically generated here. You can also select the exam language. So you have multiple choices as per the area. Here in Delhi, NCR, Northern India, you have the option to select Hindi or English. Remember, if once you have selected the language and the mode online and offline, and after submitting the form, you will not be able to change these options. So select very carefully. You can see the papers that are selected that you have to give. You don't have to worry about the exam fees. Your chapter will be clearing this with the central council. Select the tick mark where it says that you have not given any wrong information, and once you have submitted the form you will not be able to cancel it. Once you are sure the form that you have filled, click the submit button. Your form will be submitted and you will receive an acknowledgement number. You will also receive a mail for this acknowledgement number, but you should save this acknowledgement number or write it down and share it with your chapter. The chapter asks it. You can apply for two courses simultaneously in their exams. One of them can be a Jyotish course, another should be a non-Jyotish course. Once you have submitted your form and received the acknowledgement number, you can check your application in My Exam application. Thank you.